Hi everyone and welcome to my beauty vlog. I am going to be reviewing Wish brushes that I got today and I am actually very excited. Here they are. This is some of them. There's a lot of them, but I'm actually really excited to test my makeup skills. But the quality isn't amazing. And you can actually see it when you use brushes. The quality needs to be really good, otherwise there's streaks and doesn't blend out really well. But we'll find that out later. It's just the feel of it. It's very soft, but you can feel it's not animal. Although most of my brushes are animal. I like it. Alright, let's start with just cleaning the face because I think that's a good idea. I actually am a big lover of Wish products. I've bought a lot of their bikinis and I've bought a lot of products. Like this little holder thingy I bought there and it's so cool. It doesn't work 100%, but it works. It gets stuck every now and then. Just clean the eyebrows. There's even a spoolie in here. That impressed me because usually if you buy a set, you don't usually get a nice spoolie, but this one is really good quality. It's super cool, and the brushes are really sturdy. I'm very impressed by that. They're not gonna come out, I don't think. I don't know. So let's start with the foundation. I'm gonna use this brush. They don't have numbers or names. I'm going to call this Wish brush Fatty. Fatty does not have a number. I don't know what it's supposed to be used for, but I'm going to be using it for foundation. When I let you go, ooh, I just pulled you closer. Ooh, I can't understand where it came from, but you got... I'm actually starting to notice that this brush is making a lot of streaks. Maybe it's not designed for it, but it is definitely very streaky. Okay, this looks good to me. We're gonna move on. Let's put Fatty away because she looks messed up. She looks really messed up. She looks very, very messed up. This is also Wish powder, by the way. I am doing a whole Wish thing today, it looks like. But I can't get this thing open. How am I supposed to get in?
And in the land of the sandstorm, I fought it, though I wanted everything to do with what you give to me.
I think this isn't looking bad. There's nothing wrong with the application. I'm just quickly gonna see.
I've been really trying.
So we used Fatty for 2 types of applications. Good brush. Let's try and do the eyebrows. Like I said, this is a really nice booty. Alright, we're still on eyebrows. We'll use one palette for the eyebrows. Let's try and find an angled brush type thing. I feel like this one can do the job. Let's hope for it. Let's test out my skills.
Loosening my grip as for you and to me. When I let you go, it just pulled you closer. It's a long departure.
Sisters, they're not twins, so I'm not gonna struggle too hard on these, but the brush is doing its job. I think they look pretty good. beautiful blending brush. I love this brush. It's coming inside my brush set immediately.
Before I see you again, before it all makes sense, but I can hold you back. And I still don't understand where it came from, but you're back in with the passion. I'm awake.
And I'm going to use this non-labeled thing.
The flame in a hailstorm, I'm back in, I gotta have it. Everything to do with what you give to me. Loosening my grip as pull you into me.
I'm using this kind of angled blending brush. I can't even describe this thing. It's like an angled something.
When I let you go, just pull you closer. It's a long departure.
Okay, let's use a tiny little packing brush that looks like this. And put a little lighter color in
It's a long departure.
Okay, and we're going in with that little packing brush and just doing the exact same on the bottom lid. And we can actually blend it out with that angled brush. I am not going to do any eyeliner today. I am very uncomfortable with this brush. And I actually love this look. I will add lashes, blush, and lipstick, and we'll be right back.
12 seconds later.
Hi guys, I'm back. I actually forgot to do my contour and my highlight, but I usually do this at the end. But yeah, I do everything out of order. I still need blush and contour and the highlight, but this is a quick job for me. Voila. And voila. Let's do no, this is the contour. I am getting so confused today. I am really asleep. I'm gonna actually use the same one and then just blend it out with a normal blending brush.
But you got it, got it. It began in the land of the sandstorm. I fought it, though I wanted everything to do with what you give to me.
This is looking really good. I am loving this. Oh yeah, and I put a little bit of eyeliner on because the eyelashes were just going everywhere, so I kind of just married them with my lashes. So just put a bit of pot liner around your eye, no cat wings. Just nice. Well, I'm just quickly gonna untie my hair and then see you guys then. Hi guys, I'm back and hair loose. Amazing makeup look, which I did with Wish brushes. I just have to say, if you're good at what you do, you don't need expensive stuff, to be very honest. This is very affordable. I think I paid like 120 rand. Multiply that with 14 and then we'll get the US dollar on that. Yeah, we were doing the rand conversion thing. It was like 150 and you divide it by 14 and it was like 10 bucks. it's literally $10 in you guys' like dollars, so it's really worth it. And I mean, these are sturdy brushes, they're not coming out. I'm not going to pull on the hairs, that's just stupid. And they really work, like some of them worked so well. I'm going to literally put them in my kit. It was such a good buy, but I waited a long time. The negatives are that you wait so long. I think I waited like 4 or 5 months, like no jokes. It was a long time. I ordered them in winter, which is like July, and it came the 15th of January. But thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I hope you like the makeup look, and I hope you guys subscribe and like.